welcome to another video tutorial by SoftXaa. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and turn on the notification to never miss out any update. Today we are going to learn how to connect your GoDaddy domain to WordPress or web hosting.
So hi guys, my name is Shubham and I am your host for today. Let's discuss that what is domain and what is hosting. So domain is basically your website address like www.abcd.com, and hosting is like your website's home on the internet where all of your website files are stored. So now we will do the practical steps, and as per seen in this article, here is a step-by-step process to connect your domain and hosting, and we will follow that. But before going to the main process, make sure that you have already purchased your hosting and your domain. To purchase your hosting, you can visit the website of SoftXaa. You can find this article in the description box below. Go there and check it out. So the first step comes log into your GoDaddy domain portfolio, and to log in your GoDaddy account, just click here. So I have already logged in my GoDaddy account. In case you can't find this page, you can simply put in your login ID and password and you will be able to see this page. So here in this domain portfolio, you can see the names of your domain which you have purchased from GoDaddy. So now it's time to select a domain. In this case, I will select this one, and after selecting this one, you can find here the option more. We will just simply click here and we will find this option edit name server, and we will click in this edit name server. Here there will be a new pop-up page. So here we will select own name server, just because we will add the name server of our hosting provider, and in this case we will just simply put the name server of SoftXaa. We will type here Asia, Asia1.softxaa.com. Okay, this is the first name server, and the second one is Asia2.softxaa.com. So we have typed here the two name server, and we will just simply click here save. So there is a confirmation. We will click here continue, and there you go, you have successfully updated the name servers. Please keep in mind that DNS propagation might take up to 24 to 48 hours. During this time, your website might be inaccessible or may show some error. This is normal as the changes need time to spread across the internet. And after the certain period of time, you will be able to see your website on the internet. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to never miss out any update.